Hello friends, welcome to the 22nd part of the topic connections, where today we are going to start with a new topic, that is welded connections, and we have completed bolted connections up till part 21. And in this lecture we are just going to see some basic introduction about what is welding actually. Welding is a method of connecting two pieces of metal by heating to a plastic or fluid state with or without pressure. So basically welding is a method of connecting two pieces. We are joining two pieces of metal. Only metal can be joined by welding. And this is done by heating process up till plastic or fluid state is achieved by melting the metal. And that too with or without pressure. But in this module what we are going to talk about is structural welding, because this is as we are concerned with the design of steel structure. Structural welding is nearly all electric, though some gas welding may be used. So most commonly we are using electric welding to do our work faster. However, gas welding is used primarily for cutting pieces to shape. If we want to give different shape or we want to repair anything, that time we are using gas welding. Though gas welding is simple and inexpensive, it is slow and hence it is generally used for repair and maintenance work only. See, now we can say that gas welding is simple, inexpensive, but the problem here is it is slow and hence it is generally used for only repair and maintenance work. So this was the basic introduction, and now we'll be getting into the working of electric method or electric welding. In case of electric welding, electric energy is used as the heat source, right? We are heating two metals or joining two metals by using electric energy. Direct or alternating current, that is DC or AC, is passed through the electrode. By holding the electrode at a very short distance from the base metal, an arc is formed. A temperature of about 3300 to 5000 degree is achieved here. The electron flow making the circuit carries the molten electrode metal to the base metal to build up the joint. See here, what we are doing is, in order to join any two plates like this, what we are doing is we are connecting an entire circuit. We are completing the entire circuit and placing an electrode over here. When we bring the electrode over here near the joint where we need to connect two plates, an arc will be formed between the joint and the electrode, and we are providing an electric current from here. And when an arc is formed here, a temperature of about 3300 to 5000 degrees is achieved, and it melts the metal and joints by welding. This is actually the working of electric welding. And now we'll be talking about the various processes of arc welding that are used in structural steel applications as under. So we are just going to talk about the names or the classification. The shielded metal arc welding, then we have submerged arc welding, then gas shielding metal arc welding, electro slag welding, flux core arc welding, and stud welding. See, we are not going to talk in detail about each and every type, but this was just the basic introductory part of the welding portion. We have talked about the process of arc welding. So friends, this is all about the introduction part of welded connection. Wait for my next video in which we are going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of welded connection. Thank you for watching.